Sige po. Are you ready?
Okay.
Sir, sit down.
Para sili ngayon sila ma'am, sir.
Paano yun?
Kaway ma'am.
Labas mo yung kamay mo sa likuran.
Dito lang ba, ma'am? Just lay down like that. Sit down there. Sit down.
Down.
Fine. It's just this thing is loose.
Ah, it's okay sir.
It's okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yan, tama na yan.
Okay na yan, ma'am.
Tama na yan, ma'am. Malaki na ano kayo doon mamaya. Hindi tayo kayo doon mamaya sa taas. Pag malaglag yan.
Oh, wow.
Ma'am, sakaling mahilo sa taas at gusto nyo nang bumalik, ikot nyo lang yung kamay nyo ha. Pwede yung bumitaw sa
Ready,
taas.
start, sir?
Oo, magsagulan ka ng kanyo, no?
Okay sir, already start.
Is this recorded?
Yeah, yeah. Start recording. Okay ma'am, kaway ma'am.
I do not recommend this for people with fear of heights. This is 150 feet and PSS, it can reach until 300 feet.